Hello, my name is Josiah Ray. I'm going to show you how to make a dashed line in Microsoft Word. So, here I am inside of Word, and I'm going to come up to the Insert tab and click on Shapes. And we've got a lot of different lines that we can choose from. I'm actually going to pick the one with the arrow just because I like that arrowhead, kind of gives it some direction. So, we just click and drag and there we go. We've got our line with an arrow on the end. Now, it's defaulted it to a particular style. To change the style of line, say, and make it dashed, click on the arrow or on the line that you've created, and we're going to click on Shape Outline. And now we can select dashes if we would like, and you can see there's a lot of different styles, some of them with big and little dashes kind of mixed in. So we'll select that one. And we can also make it a little bit bigger. We can go to Weight, and this is how you make that line a little bigger, so right about there looks pretty good. And let's also color it, just to be a little fancy. So there you go. That's how you create a dashed line in Microsoft Word. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you've got any other questions, please contact me at josiah@jraystudios.com. I'm Josiah Ray.